Hey guys, this is Juan from Team Sketch2React. Today I'm going to make part 2 of this fine tutorial thingy here. So 1 week ago I did part 1 and I'm doing part 2 today. So let's jump right in. So I have done a couple of things here already. I have a second artboard and now I have exported these one, made these exportable as SVGs, as you can see here. For example, let me just adjust the screen so I can see better. So I did all of this. I also created a link component that is really great. It's an awesome component actually to just link things. So this is part of this technique of doing stuff really quick. You need the link component. So I want to link this one to the second artboard. This is like the detailed view of that one, and now I also want to go back, of course. So we need to create a link component, a new one. So let's do that. First, let's go in and study how the link component needs to be set up. You need to group whatever you want to be linkable and call that group link. So you write like this, in curly brackets you put input link. And then you also need two small text files. One needs to be called this, and the other one is attribute.target. And these are actually not visible. As you can see here, you cannot, let me go back to the reload because I haven't created a backlink yet. You cannot see these ones. For the purpose of this tutorial, I will keep them like this, but you can just mark these two and make them invisible. They will still work. Let's try that out and see that it works. Actually, confirm that. It still works. You can still link. So let's do like that and make these 100% opacity so we can see them. So you want to do this. So now I'm going to just make this entire thing here linkable. So what I do, I go to the root folder of the SVG. Here it is, you can see it there. And let's group this thing here, and let's zoom in here, and let's call this one link. Like that. And let's just copy these two text nodes file things here onto this one. We need to be at this level. Let's be here so we can see things like that. Let's paste them. They can be there, doesn't matter, but they need to be inside the link folder. So right now they're inside like that. We want this to target itself, so it loads the page again. You could also write underscore blank, and it would open a new window if you're targeting an external website or something. But we want it to be like this. And this text here is just a placeholder text. The important thing is what you do next. So next you need to make a symbol of this. So we are here at this level, create symbol, and we can call this one link back because we have only two link components right now, like that. And now we are going to here in the attribute thing, and we input. You can see that it says point and /blog app. So we want to reference this to the first page, and actually this one is the index page, index.html, like that. And another thing you need to do is use the hotspot key in Sketch to link back. So let's press W. Let's be here so we make sure we're there, and we press the hotspot tool and we just link back. Let's try. Oh, I saw that I put input things wrong there. Let's take that away like that, and let's go to our Sketch2React and see if this works. So like that and like that. Boom. So nice and so easy. So important thing here we learned. Link components are really, really powerful. So let me just take a little break and I'll be right back. Awesome. So let's do something else. Let's add some transition animations. So what I always do is that I open up our own demo files because I always forget. So let's open up this awesome demo file I did a long time ago called Just Add Water Animations. You can download it for free from our website. So we have a lot of animations here, and we use animate.css. So if we just zoom in here is the external asset we need to add. Let's start by copying this one like that and just pasting it anywhere on the artboard here. Let's just like that. I'm not going to say neat and nice, but I did say neat and nice. So let's check if there's a new version of Animate CSS. So go to a browser. Guarantee you that there will be a new version. Go to GitHub here, or maybe not. It's 3.7.2. Is that the one we have? Oh, yeah, exactly. There was a new version, 7.2. So let's just do like that. We have the latest version. Let's copy this one onto this artboard also, of course, because we want to have the animation happening here also. So let's do something really simple. Let's just say that we want some kind of fade animation. I have a long list of animations here. Fade in. Like that. And first let's see how you actually attach the animation. So you need to attach it to something, and maybe a row, for example, and you need to put animated and then the name of the animation. So nice. So what did I do? I just actually applied the fade in animation to these 3 rows. We could also apply it to the footer, for example. Copy that one, go there, do like that, and nice. And you could also do something like this, delay the animations. So let's look how we do that. Delay, exactly, we just write delay and then the time. So if we, for example, want it to come in order, we could input this. So this row is going to be delayed 1 second. I think it was like that. Let's check it out. Exactly. You saw, boom, boom, boom. And then we can delay this one also. So delay 2 seconds, like that. And this is, of course, really slow. but I'm just showing you what you can do here. Boom, 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 boom. Nice. Boom, boom, and boom. So easy to attach CSS animations like this. So boom, boom, boom. So you could simulate a lot of things doing this. I could actually try out to and fade in the entire the entire container. Let's us try that, how that looks. So let's copy this one and see what happens if we animate the entire container also, like that. No, I'm doing it wrong. Sorry. Like that we need to do. Now, let's see what happens. Ah, yeah, you saw there. It loads, but you will also see it when we go back. You saw that? Nice. Okay, this is really slow. I know. I'm just showing you what you can do. So this is a nice fade in and fade in there and back, fade in, blah blah blah. Like that. Oh, this is nice. Fade in, boom. Of course, this maybe was not what you want to do, but this is just a way of showing you potential. Okay, guys, that's what I had for this part. In the next part, we're going to export this to code. Cheers, guys. Have a great one.